Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do a ketogenic diet grocery shopping haul from Costco. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go into Costco, get all of our keto goodies, our keto meats, keto vegetables, for a quick Costco haul. If you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto diet meal plan down in the description link below. Now let's dive in. So I'm going to go down, and first stop is going to be the meat section. We're going to go ahead and get out some of the meats that we want to get. We have a whole list of things we're going to be grilling today. But it's crazy. It's Memorial Day weekend. Kind of a mistake to go here because every single aisle is filled with people. But we're going to go get our keto meats. We're going to go get our keto vegetables. We're on a mission for our grocery shopping haul. I don't know, which one should we get?
The big ones.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead and snag two of these. They have two different sizes. The smaller ones or the bigger ones. We're going to get two of these big ones. They do also have some scallops too, and I'm going to get a crab as well.
Going like this at you.
I'm going to snag two big lobster tails. They had two different kinds, and then also one of the crabs in here. It's this size, to see if we can get those grilled up today. So I'm going to get this one. I'm just going to check the expiration date on them, and it's $25 for all of these packages of the chicken breast. So normally I get their full chickens to cook in my Instapot. I'm not doing that today. I'm actually going to get some of the organic chicken breasts. I'm going to use those today for later on with my Instapot for my keto meal prep. These were the chicken breasts or the whole chickens I was talking about. I've done other videos on these, so you can check them out, how I make my buffalo keto chicken out of it. But they're $10, and it makes literally like $1 per meal. It's a great cheap keto way to do it in your Instapot. And I also use their drumsticks down there in my air fryer to make keto wings too, but we're not going to get that today. We're having a great debate about which fish to get. I think I'm going to get the flounder, but I've been debating between the cod and also the haddock. Which one do you like? Put in the comments below what your favorite is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try the flounder and see. So it's $8 a pound basically for all of this. Okay, I ended up switching it and getting the fresh wild haddock because it was fresh and not harvested on a farm. So I know farm fishing is bad and that fresh is good. So that's what I'm choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and snag some of these avocado cups. Where are the ones I want? These are the ones I want. I am in heaven. They have organic raspberries. I'm snagging a container. I'm going to go ahead and get my romaine hearts. These are also great to have, and they last for a really long time and easy to multi-purpose. And they also have today the organic mushrooms, so I'm going to get these too for my air fryer recipe. Have you gotten my free Costco shopping list? It's down in the description link below if you'd like to snag that too. I have not seen these before. It's $10 for basically two of them, so it's $5 for each side. I'd recommend this. So this is new. They have organic rice cauliflower, just FYI. They had that and organic broccoli florets. I have not purchased these before, but that would be a good one to get. I totally was going down the wrong egg aisle. We're off to go find eggs amongst all the people. So we just got some eggs, gonna add those on. They have a different one that I normally get, like the 5 dozen, which is too much for us. So I got the 2 dozen, $3.50, and they're certified humane too, which is exciting. Because y'all told me to check to make sure they're certified humane. Almond flour here is an awesome deal. It's $13 or 3 pounds. I totally would recommend it. I'm not going to get it today because I have a bunch at home. We're going to go home. I'm going to unpack all of our goodies, and I'll show you exactly what we got from our Costco ketogenic diet grocery haul. Coming up next. Okay, I'm going to start to unload everything, but have you signed up for my Wednesday, June 19, 2019 free fasting workshop? It's in the description link below. There's only 500 spots because it's free. Just make sure you go sign up down in the description link below. I have to take a little break to show these cute little Oscar shoes. Do you like your shoes? Yeah, they're cute. Okay, we are home from our Costco keto grocery haul. All of my ketogenic diet foods, and I will have a free printable down below of my Costco shopping list. I did get some one-offs that I was not expecting to get. I was not expecting them to have this amazing seafood, and I realized that this could be the whole total for all of this was $192. However, my husband and I do OMAD, 1 meal a day, most days, for the ketogenic diet. So sometimes I have 2 meals in a day. So this is more food than we will be eating. So it seems like a lot, but really when you break down, it won't be that much because it's a full day's worth of eating with 1 meal. So let's dive into what I got. So the first surprise that I was pumped about was these awesome tapas. They have really, what caught my eye was the pepperoni and the salami. They did have some prosciutto in there. I got 2 packages of these. They were $5 each piece. They came with a package of 2, so it was a total of $10. Of course, I got my organic romaine lettuce. I use these for wraps. I use these for a lot of different things, salads. You can put, it's really versatile, and the romaine lasts a long time. I have since moved to using organic mash because it lasts longer. I have my avocados over there, right there, that I got from my Aldi grocery haul, my keto Aldi haul, but I like these. My husband likes these. We can pack them easily if we're traveling. Like, they're just really, really easy to have. I'm doing my lobster video for another kind of video if you want to check that one out. The next thing I got was my fresh wild haddock. I chose this over the cod. They also had cod, haddock, and there's one more fish. I don't get tilapia anymore or salmon because I hear that they're overbred. I guess, is that the word? So I like to get different fish, but put in the comments below. I'm not a fish connoisseur. Like, we don't normally grill fish, but I'm very much in the mood, and I'm pumped to try this. So I'll keep you posted. More Countess videos, how it tastes. I got strawberries. This is a keto product, keto fruit, lower in carbs. I also got an organic. They had organic raspberries. Again, a lower carb organic fruit. But I try to limit those. They're more for my little boy than they were for me, but I did want to show them. If you're wanting something sweet, have the keto fruit as opposed to like a packaged something. Make it yourself. I got organic baby bells. I use these in my air fryer videos. Like my stuffed mushrooms, they're so good. I got these 2 dozen eggs. I'm trying not to break them. Would that not be so funny if I just like squished them all? Not funny for me, funny for you. One of those cage-free, humanely raised is what my husband said the label said. My hot Countess of low-carb husband. I got my steaks. These are my favorite. They're $10 a piece for each steak. They are the New York strip. If you're only having 1 meal, the steak is so satisfying. It's so good. I just looked up and there's a big old crack on my ceiling. I'm gonna check into that in a minute. I also got some chicken, 3 packs, 25 bucks. So this pack, and it's organic. So this pack is $7.50, something like that. I'm gonna use that for a bunch of different things. Really, I wanted my buffalo chicken. I just didn't want to make the whole chicken this time. 2 huge lobster tails. Go check out my video on how to cook lobster tails. I have my Aldi lobster tail over there. We're gonna boil one and then grill one. So we'll show both ways how you can cook the lobster. So good, so good. So you guys were wondering, those lobster tails, which are like the size of my head. When you check the other video, I'll make sure I do a head measurement. They were 20 bucks a piece, which I understand is extravagant. I get that. We were intentionally being a little bit more extravagant on this purchase than we were on most of my Costco keto grocery haul visits. So I understand that this is more a little zhuzhy, but they had stuff today that they normally don't have. I also got this huge crab. This is the size of my head. This whole crab, if you're wondering about price for him, see there's his little legs. He was 10 bucks. So I'm gonna put all this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna freeze a bunch of it. And I'm so excited about all my hauls. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat it all. Like, I'm really looking forward to eating it. So go check out that lobster video. It'll either be coming out or it's already out. So some of y'all asked how I put some of this stuff away for having a smaller family, how I do it. So I have my steaks here. I wanted to show you, I used to use a lot of Ziploc bags, which we still have plenty of. So you could use Ziploc bags. But what I found is cheaper and actually better for the environment is these cool Pyrex containers. I got these Pyrex containers on sale. I was ironically when we were at the beach near a Pyrex outlet. They like drop it. But these go on sale, the size, usually at Christmas. They're like $2 or $3 a container. And I use these over the glass ones over and over and over again. The plastic ones are a little iffy with freezing, heating, things like that. I'd rather just go all glass. So I'm gonna freeze these in these little glass containers and parcel them out so they're not like, this doesn't go to waste. How many of y'all out there have had your Costco food go to waste? Be honest, I know I have. And so my intention for being frugal, healthful, and mindful of the environment. Look, Saucy's like totally, look at her, she's a little diva back there. My total intention is to get, to make sure we package the food up and use it. So for example, these chickens, I'm just gonna plop straight in my freezer. Normally I put them in like a Ziploc bag. It just leaked juice on me. I'm gonna put it in a little container. I have more containers. I'm gonna put them in little containers and then put them all in the freezer too. Going to divide these into 2 different portions. I'll just make sure they're evenly portioned out. One that I'm going to use right now, this one. Voila, we'll use that right now. And then this one I'll portion out for later. And I also have a great pesticide washing video that I will do later also with these 2. These were just for the initial rinse to put them in a package. And this guy's gonna go in the freezer too. Here is my 2 different portion size. This guy's gonna go in the freezer, and this guy we're gonna eat in the next day or 2. I will use my pesticide video, how to wash off 2 major pesticides really easily. That will be in the description link below too. If you don't know how to wash off your fruits super easily, and you don't need to buy those expensive washes, you probably have it even in your refrigerator, in your pantry, to get off the 2 major pesticides. So I'm gonna go put these away. So make sure you sign up for my free intermittent fasting workshop coming up on Wednesday, June 19th, 2019. My gift to the Countess of Low Carb community. You don't want to miss it. Hey guys, if you love this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email down in the description link below. See you again next time. Bye guys.